reedgeit.com, razor sharp. Ready to roll. Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. Rotorola, Massport Rotorola, Briggs & Stratton engine, and the thing is very unique because it has a striping roller built into the machine. The back wheel, back tire, whatever you want to call it, the back propel thing, it's the part that propels the mower and makes it, go forward. It's actually a solid tube roller, so it stripes at the same time. It's a very unique mower, and it probably specialized to certain people that want this particular style mower. I use it out here to mow the ryegrass with. I'm standing on. You'll see me mow the bluegrass with it sometimes. I've even mowed the fescue with it. It just doesn't cut quite high enough for my liking to mow fescue with it year round, unless you're kind of in a unique situation and you live somewhere, or the microclimate that your turf is growing in doesn't require a taller height of cut. But for bluegrass and ryegrass, it's absolutely ideal. And I'd even say, as far as Bermuda, zoysia, probably do very well with those grass types as well. Got them on the website now. They're available through GCITurfAcademy.com. Michael, my boy Michael in Virginia, I gave him my Skag 30-inch. Said, here, I'm not going to use it anymore, so I gave it to him. He used it for a little while. In his opinion, he thought the mower was kind of heavy for his yard. His yard stays a little bit soft, a little bit wet, moist, and he sold the mower to a guy up in Virginia Beach, and then he turned around and bought one of these for his fescue, and he's going to attempt cutting his fescue throughout the year a little bit shorter than normal, and so far so good. So far he's absolutely in love with it. It really cuts good for him. I'm just going to mow a little bit with it. This is the very first cut on the ryegrass this year, and I'm gonna probably mow over it and then go back over the second time to see just how good we can get the stripes this early in the year. I'm not expecting a whole lot, but once we mow it, cut this little bit of brown out, and then the rye begins to grow, it will magically begin to change colors and darken up, thicken up. Of course, I'm going to promote that growth a little bit with doing a fertilizer application pre-emergent today and calcium. Get this section of grass rocking and rolling and get it ready for the summer. If this doesn't interest you and you still want to be able to stripe your grass, I've got a really exciting announcement to make. Forever I've been teamed up with Big League Lawns, the striping rollers, and I kind of took that to the next level and became a dealer with them, so we can sell the rollers directly on the website. Of course, they make rollers for any and every mower you can possibly think of, and the way we have it structured on our website, it kind of simplifies it. You just basically put in your deck size and the type of mower it is, and make sure in the comment box you list out the exact mower, like a Toro Time Master or Exmark Turf Tracer or whatever it may be, and then we're sure to get you the right roller. Be looking for some added incentive for going that route. That was one of the main reasons I wanted to become a dealer, so I can tack on like bonuses for getting the rollers through our website. And I'm still kind of playing around with that, trying to figure out what exactly I want to do. But since we can't do the coupon code anymore to get a percentage off, I'm going to do something on my end where it's beneficial to you. Oh, and let's drop this bad boy all the way down. Oh yeah. That might be a little too low. Let's go up a notch or so and try that first. I'm just testing my height of cut right here. I think I am going to go all the way down with it. The goal isn't to skin it to the ground, it's to cut it low enough to remove the majority of this brown off. So yeah, I had to go back up a notch. That ryegrass is thick as the hair on a dog's back. So, but this turf is really, really thick. So I dropped it down another notch. I'm gonna go back over it. All right, now that I've got it cut down, now let's go all the way as low as it'll go. Well, there you go. Man, this stuff is thick. Holy cow, it's thick. I had to start off on the third from the bottom, cut it, go to the next to the bottom, cut it, and now I'm on the lowest setting. It'll go nice and tight, cut down nice and short. In reality, that looks about a ½ inch. So it goes down pretty low. Looking forward to this year with it. We'll try to mow the ryegrass exclusively with it. That way I can play around with different heights with this mower, you know, cut it short, cut it tall, all kind of different things. And the most impressive thing to me about it is the actual striping capabilities, that the thing has the roller built into it and you don't have to have a additional roller to stripe with. So again, it's not for everybody. I get that. It's a niche mower, I guess is what you would call it. Of course, we got the big league long rollers on the website now, in case this just isn't a good fit for you. So there you go. We'll put down my fertilizer pre-emergent calcium adjuvant mix, and I'll probably be done for the day. I can go and eat supper and take a chill pill. As always, I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch. I'll check you later.